and welcome to another episode of the Human Recommendation live from Osheaga. I'm delighted to be joined by Hannah from Ottawa band Fanclubwallet.
Hello, thank you so much for having me.
It's been a bit of a slog to get across different stages and cover different bands, but I was so delighted. I legged it back to catch your performance because all I was worried about, you'd see a grown man cry if I missed your performance of Cottonmouth.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
Oh, I love that song. So it's great that you opened with it, and I actually saw it. I came across your music through your Audio Tree performance,
Oh.
and that's how I discovered you. My show is called The Human Recommendation, and I try and feature as many bands that I don't think get as much love from algorithms and streaming platforms. So I've played a whole heap of Canadian indie bands, but it was Audio Tree that I came across your music. Has it done much for your listenership growing?
I feel like it's hard to tell exactly with the listenership, but I think definitely I've had people be like, "Oh, I found you from the Audio Tree." Like I started a Discord and some people in there like, "I found you from Audio Tree," which has been really cool.
Awesome, awesome. And so I got to know you a little bit from your interview from there, but I believe you're an artist as well.
Yes. Yeah, I'm also a cartoonist.
And that's awesome. The performance today had some lovely animated shots behind you as you played.
Yeah, I did all the animations that are on stage and on the TVs that we play with.
That's awesome. And just for people who are not familiar with your music, where are you in the current release cycle? Are you post album, in the middle, preparing?
We're post album, but we're about to be in the beginning of writing another one.
And what do you enjoy that cycle?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's fun to get together with your friends and try to write some music. Like, I can't complain.
The one thing about performing the music, you seemed so relaxed. Like it was such an awesome set to start off my day. Like I was delighted, but you seem so relaxed on stage. Are you? Is that just outwardly projecting? How are you feeling inside?
That's so fun. I feel like inside I like blacked out. Like I'm like really I mean, I'm generally not like anxious once I'm up on the stage, but today I was anxious because we've never played Osheaga before and it's kind of a big festival, so.
Well, it didn't come across that way. You were chill, and the sound was amazing. Really good. It really came across well. And you'd be amazed about how many artists that I've interviewed over the years that have that anxiety still before performing on stage, and once they get there, they're just zoning.
Yeah, I feel like your brain gets over it, but your body doesn't. So like I'm not anxious, but my body's like, screw you, you are literally anxious.
And I really appreciate talking to me right after the performance. How long does it normally take to come down after a performance?
I feel like I'll feel chill when I'm in my bed tonight, hanging out with my dog.
What kind of dog is it?
Yeah, it's a Boston Terrier.
Lovely, lovely. We're missing our fella at home. He's called Bruce, so shout out to Bruce. And you're from Ottawa also?
Yeah, from Ottawa, born and raised, Nepean, IKEA, behind the IKEA, love it.
Shout out to Ottawa. And one other question that I had for you, Hannah, you you're involved in a DIY record label.
Yeah, so I run something called Club Records. If you go to the website, we have a page of resources for artists that are like resources on how to tour, how to upload your music to the internet, how to like pitch your music to blogs and stuff. So kind of the whole vibe is like no one is scared to do anything.
That's amazing, amazingly helpful. And I've one final question for you, Hannah. As I mentioned, I interview a bunch of Canadian bands, everyone from Casper Skulls, Status Non Status, Zune, local bands here called Bon Enfant, Oliver Forest, We Merci. But if I put you on the spot, who would be your top three Canadian listens at the moment?
Okay, I hate to be like the people in my band, but Neurotypes, Pre-Loved, and then I'm like now I have to pick the third one. Who's like my third favorite? Okay, this is like such a cop out, but I've been listening to so much like always. I feel like I'm getting into them way too late somehow.
Lovely. Well, it was been a pleasure talking to you, and hopefully we can have a longer interview in the coming months.
That would be awesome.
Right on. And safe trip home.
Yeah, thank you. You too.
Yeah. Thanks.
Can I get a picture? You